In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to re-enroll in a Coursera course after you've unenrolled and want to pick up right where you left off. The great news is that re-enrolling is simple and your progress can be restored, allowing you to continue your learning journey seamlessly. To get started, the first step is logging into your Coursera account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to search for the course that you previously unenrolled from and wish to re-enroll in. After locating the course in question, click through to open the course page. Once you're on the course page, you'll notice the familiar Enroll for Free button. Go ahead and click on it, just like you did initially when you first started the course. What happens next is quite convenient. When you re-enroll using the same account, Coursera's system automatically retrieves your previous progress. For instance, if you had completed, say, 6% of the course before unenrolling, you'll see that 6% progress reappear as soon as you're back in the course. However, there might be a hiccup if you don't see your progress right away. This might occur if you originally enrolled in the course using a different Coursera account. If you suspect this might be the case, it's a good idea to check your other accounts. Log into any other accounts you might have and inspect the course progress there. Once you find the correct account, simply re-enroll using that account and your progress should be restored just like that. It's important to keep in mind that Coursera does not provide a special re-enrollment button. The process is straightforward: enroll as usual. The system is designed to recognize your previous progress automatically as long as you are using the correct account. This means you don't need to worry about any additional steps or processes. If you found this video helpful, feel free to hit the like button. And if you're interested in more content like this, consider subscribing to the channel. You can also hit the bell icon to be notified whenever new uploads are available. Thanks for watching and happy learning.